Hello friends, I'm really excited to share this video. I've just now received these author copies and I'm going to unwrap it. So let's see how it is. चलो cut it.
हाँ।
चलो.
निकालो ना पापा, इधर लाइए।
Wait, we'll see how it is. So I'm just unwrapping my author copies now.
Mommy, catch.
So here it is. Okay. Here are my copies. You want to hold it? Show it. Here are my copies. So let me quickly unwrap.
पापा, ये वाला भी अंदर है।
So here's the book. 1 second. You want to hold this? Hold it. Show it to camera. See. This is the book.
पापा, ये होल्ड करो कि मैं लोग ले दिए।
Yep. So guys, please go grab your copy now on Amazon, Flipkart, or if you like to read on Kindle, it is also available on Kindle. Go, do order a copy. Let me know your review. Let me know how it is. And those who have already ordered the copy, thank you so much. Thank you.